So maybe you want to get fit at home, but you're looking around and thinking, where am I going to put a squat rack? Trust me, you don't need a garage full of equipment to transform your body. I'm going to show you how to build a killer home gym right in the corner of your room. Alright, first thing, forget about those giant machines. You just need a little space. Think 6 by 6 feet. If you can stretch your arms out and lie down, you're golden. The secret? Isometric and suspension training. These aren't just buzzwords. They're seriously effective and super joint friendly. Let's talk isometrics. Ever tried holding a plank or doing a wall sit until your legs turn to jelly? That's isometric exercise, where you hold a position and your muscles work like crazy without moving. This style builds real-world strength, boosts your endurance, and keeps your joints happy. You're not just bulking up one muscle at a time, you're firing up your whole body, making you stronger for all the stuff life throws at you. Now here's my favorite upgrade, a suspension trainer. Think TRX straps or anything similar. Hang them over a door, a sturdy beam, whatever you've got. With just those straps, you can do rows, push-ups, even single-leg squats. You're using your own body weight, so every move is tailored to you. Plus, it works your core and balance like nothing else. Here's a super simple routine to get you started. Ready? Wall sit for 60 seconds. Your legs will thank you later. Plank hold for 30 to 60 seconds. Fire up that core. Isometric hip bridge for 45 seconds. Hello, glute. Suspension row, 10 slow controlled reps. Suspension push-up, adjust the incline to match your strength. After all that, take a few minutes to stretch and breathe. That's a total body workout in less time than it takes to binge a sitcom episode. And the best part? Your whole gym fits in a closet or under your bed. All you need is a suspension trainer, a decent yoga mat, a door anchor or bit of wall space, and a set of resistance bands or Wing Chun rings if you're feeling fancy. For more tips or expert guidance, check out a local class or swing by activehealing.us. Build smarter, move better. Your awesome home gym journey starts today.